just like that. Thank you. Hour. Air fry 390. 15 minutes. And we're just gonna cut her up a little bit. And this has already been washed and cleaned, guys. We're gonna add 1 whole block of cream cheese. Using the Daisy sour cream. And we're just gonna get a hefty scoop of it and put it in there. Just to season the meat a little bit. Garlic powder. We're gonna go ahead and shred this so we can make the enchiladas. Cheese that we're about to shred. Jazzy says she likes my tomatoes already, guys. It's standing right. We're gonna go ahead and the cream starts steaming for us. Make sure you